snowing and the waves look really fun. So I'm trying to get my wetsuit on as fast as I can so I can get out there, so Greg can get out there, so we can enjoy my first snowy surf.
Woo!
Yee! Woo! My toes already numb. I was so stoked to finally be able to surf in the snow, because I've been winter surfing for 3 seasons now, and this is my first time that I was able to catch a snowstorm. So, and it was awesome. The waves were good, and the flakes were huge. They landed in my eyes, and I couldn't see, so you're a little blind out there, but it was still, I mean, it just made it even cooler. When you're in your wetsuit, you sort of feel like you're safe in this spacesuit out in a watery planet, and then on a day when it's snowing, it just feels so wild to be out there, or to be able to watch a sunset from the water in the winter. It's really beautiful, and it's just not a perspective I think many people have the opportunity to have, and there's definitely some willpower that you find within yourself when you go into cold water and paddle with a wetsuit on, a heavy wetsuit on. But you start to see how capable you are. So I just find the cold water is like a new frontier for me to explore and see where I can go, where I want to go, where I feel inspired, what I feel inspired to do. Definitely always feel inspired to surf in snowstorms. It is so different from surfing in the summer. There is a whole process associated with winter surfing, putting on your wetsuit, mentally preparing yourself to go out in the cold, and then just being out there. It's not something that's pretty typical for winter in Long Beach Island. The fact that I can put on a wetsuit and go explore a whole different terrain, it's pretty cool. So yeah, winter surfing has definitely changed my life and showed me exactly what kind of person I want to be on land.